What's better than sliced bread?
What is it? What is it?
Sliced bread and cheese. Sorry, that was really cheesy, but today we're going to make classic grilled cheese with just 3 ingredients. And we're gonna make it in our TurboBlaze air fryer. So let's get started. We have here some sandwich bread. You can use any bread you like. You can use sourdough, you can use whole wheat, whatever floats your boat. I like the thick cut bread, you know, thick with 3 C's. You can use thin cut bread, whatever you like, gluten-free, all that good stuff. So we're gonna start laying our slices out. And on 2 of them, we're gonna put 2 slices of cheese of your choice. I do like the easier to melt cheeses. I like the American cheddar. They have like a Swiss brand that you can use, or a Swiss cheese. Put on there and basically you top it off. You can coat it with whatever you like. You can do like a margarine spread. Some people like to use mayo. Whatever you like, that will make it nice and crispy and golden brown. You can use butter too. I like to use an oil spray mainly because it's easier, it's less things to clean. So just give it a quick spray. Give a quick little other side too. We are going to put in our air fryer. You're going to want to put the crisper plate inside. It's just so that airflow can go in and under and get the other side crispy as well. We will flip it, but it just helps speed the process. So we're just going to put our grilled cheese in here. We're going to bake this at 385 for 6 minutes. And we will flip it halfway through. And I'll see you guys then. Okay, now that we're halfway through, we're gonna give it a little flip. Be very careful. You can add more butter or spray more oil if you like, but since we already sprayed both sides, we're just gonna keep it like that and return it to the air fryer. And I'll see you guys back when we're done. Your grilled cheese is done. Let's take these out. Look at them, golden, delicious. If you just want to eat one now and save it for later, or you're afraid of it getting cold, you can just leave it in the air fryer. Just, you know, have it kind of hang out a little bit so it keeps it warm. We are going to cut into this. Either cut it diagonally, straight down the middle, however you like. I'm not going to judge you. I'm going to do slightly both. Get cut it. Oof, it's hot. Look at that. Just like in the commercials. And there it is, easy classic grilled cheese. It's a pretty good comfort food, one of my favorite comfort foods, and it'll be a really good snack too if you just don't feel like having a full meal. Let us know what else you want to see. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.